So this is one of my Avengers Endgame unboxing videos. Avengers Endgame, Ant-Man. Here's Ant-Man right here, right there, in his custom suit. Ant-Man, Avengers Endgame logo right there. The packaging, Ant-Man, and then Marvel Avengers. Let's look at the back. Ant-Man. Scotland brings a big power to the fight as half-inches hero Ant-Man. It sells in Chinese. All the other figures available. Black Panther, T'Challa, and Captain America. Let's box this thing. Anyway, guys, comment and ask for more. I want to do an Avengers Endgame review. Anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. So anyway, guys, I'm Jonah. Bye. Please comment and ask for more. I want to do Avengers Endgame review on this video. So anyway, guys, comment and ask for more, guys. Please subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Anyway, guys, comment and ask for more, guys. Please enjoy this video. Anyway, guys, comment and ask for more, guys. Bye. See you guys. Comment and ask for more, guys. See you guys. Bye. In this video, so comment and ask for more, guys. Bye. See you guys. Comment and ask for more, guys. Bye. See you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. Comment and ask for more, guys. Bye. See you guys. Bye.